What up, YouTube? You already know who it is. Your boy Shawn.Stay.Fitted. Got another video for you guys. This one a little different. I was recently contacted by an Amazon seller who actually seen one of my videos that I did for my Apple Watch. As you know, I got my 42mm Apple Watch Series 2 Nike Plus Edition. And he seen the video I did for my protection once I picked up the catalyst protection. You already know, full scale, waterproof, fully covered, bands already attached. And they wanted me to actually take a look at one of their products, which is another bumper, pretty much full cover, full case protection for my Apple Watch. So what we're gonna do is, gonna take this apart, take the Apple face out of it, throw the bumper on, and see how that protection stands up with this one. Now, I don't know if this protection is waterproof. I really don't think it is. I think this is just more bump and drop protection. But we're still gonna get into it, see how it compares with drop and bumper protection as far as the catalyst case. So stay tuned, we're gonna get right into it, because this is probably really gonna be a doozy to take off, man, because it was really one trying to get it on. So we're gonna get into all that step by step, see how it goes. So stay tuned. All right, we back. As you see, I got on my mat right here, so I can go ahead and pull everything out and get into it. And like I said, I was hit up by this seller here on Amazon, and you can get this on his site there on Amazon for, I believe, I want to say $12.99. I mean, not bad for the price, but you got to remember, you get what you pay for as far as protection wise. So I'm think this is leaning more towards the, drop, scratch resistant. I don't think this is gonna be like, waterproof or anything of that nature. So if you're looking for something more of that, you definitely wanna go with the catalyst. But this is something if, you're gonna go work out in, just, casually wanna walk around, things of that nature. So I told him I'd definitely take a look at it. And the link for it will be down below in the description. Like I said, you can get it on Amazon, $12.99. Let's go ahead and get into it. As you see right here, you got your installation instructions. Now, mind you, this is my first time getting this. They just sent it. So therefore, as you can see down here, I still do got my wristbands that came with my Apple Watch, the original ones that you will buy if you get the Nike Pro, which are a little different, which would be like the lime green fluorescent ones, being that it's, the Nike Plus version. So I'm glad I do still have those, because like I said, when I bought my catalyst, as you see by my watch here, it actually comes with the bands already attached to it. And as you see, it's full, full protection, waterproof, and the whole nine. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this out of here and go ahead and install this in here. Once we break out all the contents, as you see, you got your wet and dry wipe, of course, to wipe it off. Me personally, I'm not gonna need that, because under my Apple Watch here, I have another screen protector, which is this here, which is already a screen protector that's on my actual face. So I have the screen protector plus the waterproofing all the way around it. So I won't actually have to do the cleaning. That part will be already taken care of. Then, as you see, you have this part here. This will be the actual face that goes on that protects it. Then you're actually gonna put the bumper on above it. So before we get to doing all of that, we're gonna go ahead and take this out of here. So this might be a minute, so I'm gonna go ahead, jump into it and take this out of here, then get back with y'all once I actually put it out of the case. So stay tuned for that. Okay, we're back. As you see, I've disassembled the catalyst. Of course, they give you the tool to take that off. So we're gonna sit that over to the side. As you see, we have the Apple Watch here, and I'm gonna go ahead and pull out. I still have the whole casing here that I keep everything in. We're gonna pull out the actual wristbands, because this one doesn't have wristbands that come with it. So we're gonna have to attach the actual wristbands that came with the watch, which here they are, the original wristbands that came with the Apple Watch. So now, after getting this peeled apart, this is the first stage of the installation here. Now, you're gonna put the clear screen protector over it and just snap that right on. As you see, it goes right on. Got that part on. And then we're gonna attach the actual bumper. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this off here. Which is cool. They actually give you a backup case too. Backup, you know, just in case something happens to the one that you put on here, you have a backup one, which is a nice throw-in. So we're gonna actually put it into the bumper, which is rubber, so you can pull it around. You shouldn't have any problems getting it on for the most part. Now, as you see, the bumper is on. You still got access to your buttons. Right now, I have my watch off, so it's not really, you know, you won't see any powering up or anything like that because I didn't turn it on. So, and as you see, you have your space in here to slide in your wristbands. So what we're gonna do now is go ahead and attach those. And you can hear it click in and attach. You always want to definitely have that. You don't want this to fall off when you're wearing it. And you hear that one click. And there you go. Nice and simple. Can't complain. Let's get it on the wrist, see how it looks. And I was never really a big fan of this wristband, which is why I invested in the Catalyst in the first place, just have more security. But there you go. And like I said, I already have my screen protector on it, so I really don't have to worry about that. And it feels nice and secure, so I definitely can't complain about that. So definitely want to give it a wipe off once you get to touching it and everything like that. You have your screen nice and clear, no dust particles or anything. But yeah, for the most part, went on without a charm. And like I said, this will give you that, you know, quick drop protection, you know, scratch resistant, but you always want to definitely have a screen protector on it, which this does have, plus it still has the bumper around it. So I kind of have the double security because I have the fingerprint protection on there, plus their screen case on there, plus the bumper. So at this point, you see you still have your crown effect you can touch. No problems at all. So I definitely can't complain. Definitely worth the $12. I mean, as far as buying, I mean, if you want simple protection, you know, just want to go somewhere, working out, just your everyday protection. But me, I mean, I'm more so look, protection, you know, waterproofing the whole nine just in case. But for $12, I definitely won't complain. And they actually, like I said, give you the backup case just in case, you know, your under case, just in case anything does happen to happen. This being rubber, so it's not really too much that can really happen to that. But, you know, just in case anything happens to this clear case part, I mean, you know, $12 is not bad. You know, you really can't complain with that. You definitely get what you pay for. So, if you want my opinion, for the price, it's definitely a go. Can't complain on that. So, for the most part, you see what you're getting with that. So, like I said, the link will be in the description on Amazon for their store to pick it up. So if you definitely want to take a look at it, feel free. For the price. As you see, on hand, in hand, it's definitely worth it. Clear space here to attach your, you know, your wireless charging, your regular charger. Nothing will get in the way of it. You definitely have your interface. So definitely worth it, man. Can't complain. So definitely gets a solid, I'd say, I mean, just for protection alone, waterproofing and all that, I had to give it a solid, I give it a solid B-, just because it does look good. It does give you a tight fit, but, you know, it's not going to give you the waterproof protection, which most people want nowadays because they want to be able to do more with their Apple Watch and have it protected for the money. So I give it a solid B-, which is still worth the money to pick it up if you just want something just to wear around really quick, just to throw on. So, but I mean, if you want to up in your security game, you're definitely going to have to invest in your security. So, for the most part, that's the video. I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to keep it simple with that. Apple Watch bumper and screen protection, definitely a go. So, in my opinion, go out and get one if you need one, if you're looking for a more simple protection. This your boy Shawn.Stay.Fitted, man. Just want to throw y'all this quick video. Definitely stay tuned for a lot more. Hey, I'm feeling secure. Now I'm gonna go hit the gym in this real quick. As you see, that's what I was doing for. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep this on, not switching anything back out. Let y'all know how I go on the workout. So I'll catch y'all on the next one, man. I'm out.